All right, Mission Bridge, Train Bridge, the Marchand Bridge, Main Street Mission since 1891 or so. We're on the Hillside District, the Hillside being people like Mary Chathui, who invested on the hillside above the floodplain, and Mr. Horn sold the land on the floodplain. So, we're on the Hillside, Hillside District, Mission, downtown, historic downtown Mission, at the corner of Lougheed and 2nd. Come up Murray from Lougheed. We are a character 1941 house that we have restored, and in the driveway I'm walking up, sorry, the light, in the garage, there we go, the light's better. In the garage, in our old driveway, we have a wonderful small batch specialty coffee roaster. We've been running here since 2006. So we're here at Grabba Java Coffee Roasting, downtown historic, downtown Mission. Operating here since as a coffee roaster since 1998, and operating here in the roaster garage since 2006. We do have doors and glass now because of the pandemic, and we're Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 9 to 4. Cheers.